Getting your degree isn't nearly as hard as it used to be. Here are 4 ways to make progress toward a degree before enrolling in a program. The last one will blow your mind. Number 1. Take a course on Coursera. They're affordable. You can learn computer science, data science, and much more. Some of these courses can be combined to be considered for credit towards a bachelor's or master's degree. Number 2. Earn a professional certificate. You can learn on your own time, and they'll help you get job ready in as little as 3 months. When you complete certain professional certificates, you may be eligible to earn college credit towards certain degree programs. Number 3. Study certain subjects like machine learning, entrepreneurship, or graphic design on Coursera. You will master in-demand skills while completing specializations that may count towards a full degree. Number 4. Pursue any of the aforementioned options and you may be eligible to earn credit towards a bachelor's or master's degree once you're admitted and enrolled. You can work on your own time with no commitments. Getting a degree on Coursera has never been easier.